Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of Goan vegetable caldin. In a bowl, add prawns, add salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, mix and keep aside. In a mixer jar, add grated coconut, add cinnamon, add ginger, garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few cloves, few black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 green chili slit, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of raw rice, few cashew nuts, coriander leaves, water, grind it into a fine paste. This is the thin juice. Keep it aside. In the mixer jar, add grated coconut, add water and grind into a fine paste. Then add water as there is some paste remaining in the jar and pour it into the bowl. This is the thick juice. Heat oil in a vessel. Add curry leaves. Add half onion chopped. Stir. Add half tomato chopped. Stir. Add salt. Stir. Saute it. Once cooked, switch off the flame and keep aside. In a vessel, add water, cauliflower, carrot, French bean. Add salt. Mix. Cover and let it cook. Once it is cooked, keep aside. On medium flame, add prawns to the sauteed ingredients. Mix. Add the cooked vegetables. Mix. Add thin coconut juice. Stir. Add thick coconut juice. 1 green chili slit. Chopped capsicum. coriander leaves, tamarind juice, stir, cover and let it cook. Once it is cooked, switch off the flame. Vegetable caldin is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.